Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this episode of the ReviewHunt.com, I'm going to break down the top 5 torque wrenches on the market. Before we get started with our video detailed in the best torque wrench, we include links to the description for each products mentioned. Make sure you check those out. Starting of our listed number 5, the Precision Instruments 1/2 drive split beam torque wrench isn't the cheapest option in our list. Actually, it's the high-end torque wrench of the price. However, it offers a group of fine features and sparkling accuracy of the price. Great thing is that this brand name doesn't give empty boasting, because it has the latest innovation while it comes to precision credibility. This torque wrench has incorporated with a 1/2 inch drive beam split, which is easy to use. Also, features a torque range from 40 to 250 foot-pounds and a fixed ratchet head to handle most of the jobs. No need to worry about spring tension, you can adjust the torque setting using a handy adjustment knob. Ergonomic rubber grip with chrome or nickel finish. Ideal for most cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Easy adjustment knob. At number 4, Venusau Allen key set kit is a champion for small projects like bicycle repairing. This tool kit may come with a high price point, but it's a complete kit that is designed to be used for tightening bicycle bolts and nuts. Robust construction for superior performance, it'll last years after years without any hassle. This is why it's the best bike torque wrench on the market today. Have some amazing features as well. Compact and robust design. Ideal for bicycle nuts and bolts tightening. Suitable for carbon frame bikes. Coming at number 3, the D2503 MFRPH Adjustable Micrometer torque wrench is a premium model of this brand. Professional users throughout the world acclaimed its quality and versatility among the mechanics. Although it's not a premium product officially, rather it's greatly regarded for the exact accuracy it provides. Being a 1/2 inch torque wrench, it's come with a dual reading scale, meaning this certificate of calibration indicates reading in dual directions. This technology used to build a confirmation that you get an accurate and precise reading. Have some amazing features as well. Torque range from 30 to 250 feet-pounds. Laser marked scale. Quick release button for easy setup. At number 2, being NonStop Performance Tool M195 Beam Style Torque Wrench is a top-picked one that works excellently for an automobile. It's very simple to use, with some common features. This one is for someone who does not require using the torque wrench very frequently. Undoubtedly, this is the best 1/4 inch mechanical torque wrench for light to medium works. One of the best things about this model is you can use this tool in both directions, means clockwise and anti-clockwise, to get the accurate measurements. Plus, the ball handle produces even more exact result compared to the traditional torque wrench hand grip. Talk about durability and performance. Great quality and finish. A large variety of sizes available. Resetting it is bit hassle work. However, it's not a professional quality tool, but in terms of money it's the best torque wrench if you want to calculate the torque value. Taking the top spot it always. Designed with versatility, the Tecton 24340 2-inch drive click torque wrench is the ideal choice. A measure of affordable noise when you reach in desired level, ensuring you over-tighten. You can read this in high contrast even in low lighting condition. Talk about durability and performance. Knurled handle designed for easy grip. Pre-calibrated plus 4% accuracy. Won't break your budget either. However, its uses spread far into automobile fields like trucks, SUVs, and cars. Not only you can show off it with attitude, but also ensure durability, torquing potentiality, and toughness as well.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these top 5 best torque wrench, you can leave comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.